Hello, everyone. I used to be super afraid of going to the doctor, especially because of injections. I always thought injections would be really painful. Last year, I had to get an injection for school, and I was so scared. I felt very, very scared. My mom held my hand, which helped a lot. And Nurse Sarah was super friendly.
It's gonna be very quick, Lily. Let's count to 3 together, okay?
She told me to count to 3. It was so quick. And it only hurt a little bit, just like a mosquito bite.
All done. You were so brave.
After that, I felt really brave and happy. Now, I am not afraid anymore. I know doctors and nurses give us injections to keep us healthy and strong. They really help our bodies stay safe from sickness. So, regular checkups are super important for everyone. Stay healthy. I know doctors and nurses give us injections to keep us healthy and strong. That's why regular checkups are so important. Definitely.
That's why it's our best.
They help us stay at our best. So don't be scared, stay healthy, and be strong. Hi everyone. I think it's very important to have regular health checkups. My last checkup was about 6 months ago. At Vesman, I went to the hospital with my dad.
The doctor listened to my heart and lungs
and checked my temperature. Upside down. He also asked me about my sleep and how much water I drink. The checkup was very easy and I didn't feel nervous. The doctor said I was healthy, which made me feel relieved. He told me to eat more vegetables. I believe checkups help us know if our body is working well. It really makes me think about how good it feels to be healthy.
Great. Regular checkups truly help us understand if our bodies are working perfectly.
And the best part is, they help prevent us from getting sick in the first place. Seriously, doctors are like our health heroes. So let's all make sure we take care of ourselves and stay awesome. Awesome! Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about health checkups. To be honest, I used to be a little afraid of going to the doctor when I was younger, especially of injections. I thought it would hurt a lot. However, now I am not afraid anymore. I understand that doctors are very kind and helpful. They want us to be healthy. My last health checkup was about 3 months ago. I went to the clinic near my house with my mom. The doctor was a very friendly lady. First, she measured my height and weight. Then, she listened to my heart with a stethoscope and checked my throat and eyes. She also asked me some questions about how I felt. The checkup was very quick and didn't hurt at all. I felt a little nervous at the beginning, but after the doctor explained everything, I felt very relieved and calm.
She told me I was healthy, but I should drink more water.
I think it's very important to have regular health checkups because it helps us know about our body. Doctors help us stay strong and well.